That's why you invest in recovery gear. Otherwise, I would have been screwed. So I was coming down this trail, and as you know, it's been raining for the last couple days, and probably about 50 feet back, I just had this crazy slide, and I could not stop it until I hit this very edge right here. So I'm actually on a pretty steep fall. Luckily I didn't go over, like, thank God, but I tried backing up, that didn't work. I tried going forward, and I just kept sliding a little more. So I got the winch out right now, and I've got a tree hooked up over here that I'm trying to use that as like a counter to pull me back this way a little bit. So we'll see if this works out. If it gets to the point where I keep sliding, I'm just gonna have to walk back to the road and try to find someone that's got a vehicle. Yeah, let's hope this works out and I'm not falling 60 feet into a river. So. Why you invest in recovery gear. Otherwise, I would have been screwed.